This is a highlighted top part from Dorman products. Dorman's growing category of suspension air compressors now offers coverage for Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator applications from 2013 to 2007. Due to their location under the vehicle, original suspension air compressors are regularly exposed to road debris and contaminants, leading to corrosion and a failed compressor motor. All of Dorman's suspension air compressors are 100% new and include everything needed for a complete repair, including hardware, plug-and-play connectors, and brackets. Stay tuned for more top parts videos coming soon.